Yo, what is up guys? Today we are making another ramen video. Just to start out, I'm going to start out with the resources you'll need. You will need some Italian spice, some hamburger buns, and of course you'll need the main patty itself, which today would be the ramen. And finally, to pump with some extra flavor, you just want to get some pickles. Can be any kind. Pickles.
Right. Open your eyes.
Anyways, with that out of the way, we can get into the preparation. You just want to start absolutely obliterating the ramen packet. Just crush it up. Make sure it doesn't survive, you know? Now is your time to get your pots and pans. You just want to fill them up with some water. When you are done with that, you want to put it onto the stove. Now, something interesting about the stove is how it sounds.
This speech is my recital. I think it's very vital to rock around. That's right. On time. It's tricky. It's tough. Like, here we go. It's tricky to rock around.
After that, you just want to start boiling the water. As the water boils, now would be an absolute tremendously great time to start cooking your buns. The temperature can be anything you want, just leave it in there until you feel like it's right, you know? Like it's a gut feeling you have to follow. Now going back to the ramen, the hope with this is that it absorbs some of the water. So you want something like this consistency right here. So when the buns are ready to, get out, and make it so that it'd be a perfect time to dump out the ramen. So the reason why we cook the ramen for so long is so that hopefully some of the moisture in the water gets absorbed into the ramen. Anyways, now would be the great time to start mixing in all of your flavor packets. This would include your normal ramen spices. Now then add in your Italian spice and mix.
This right here is my favorite thing ever. In the history of forever. I think about this every day. I think about this all night long. I stay awake, not sleeping, because I'm thinking about this.
Now it's assembling time. Now would be the perfect time to start getting your buns ready. So at this point, they should be cooked and they should be ready to get mayonnaised. You just want to go with a nice even spreading across both buns, and this should get you the perfect finishing product. After that, you should be good to start adding the actual patty to the burger. This would, of course, be your ramen. It's good to just start spreading it around, a good even spreading. That looks beautiful. Anyways, now you can start adding your pickle. You can have as many as you want. I just used one, I snapped it in half. And finally, since we are in America, this would be a splendid time to add your all-American cheese. Now your burger should be done and ready to go. All you should need to do is get your Kirkland green tea, and that's it. And now it's time for the overall taste test. Will this live up to its expectations? Will this be the greatest burger known to man? It's beautiful. It mixes so well. The patty mixes with the cheese. The buns mixed with the mayonnaise. Everything comes together oh so well. Never in my life have I had something as good as this. This burger doesn't only give me hope in today, but it gives me hope for the future. It doesn't only give me hope for the next year, but for the next century. We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, and among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. This burger helped me pursue my happiness. They stated before, everything mixes oh so well. The flavor is actually quite surprising if you've tried it. I would suggest everybody make one of these. I would rate this a solid 8 out of 10, maybe even a 9. This it's surprisingly better than I originally thought. This was an interesting video. I quite enjoyed it. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share the video with everyone and anyone